This is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a free, that's right, free box break of 2015 Leaf Metal Draft Football. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize 6 times. No trading on this one, guys. We're going to go right to the break. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good luck, everyone, and thanks for all the retweets on Twitter and helping me fill these great breaks. All right, let's see who we all got. A, M, and W are the most coveted spots. And James, hopefully I can pull you an A. That's been one of the big hits. And Mick, with the free spot, Mick, you get the M. If you hit a Winston, I know you're going to be thrilled, brother. Not Winston, Mariota. All right, so I'm going to print this list out. And then we'll break it. All right. Bring the duck. You're very welcome, James. Thank you, brother. He wants me to go quack, 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 quack. What's up, Chris? Tell you what, the Bucks are going to be a good team, and believe it or not, I know people are going to kill me for this. I still like Glennon. I think Glennon has potential, but you got Evans over there, so it's a great start to build that team. You're very welcome, Popeye. We got a green in here and a touchdown king. All right. And guys, whoever wins it is a green or blue? No, it's a blue, not a green. Yeah, we do got a green too. Ooh, we got some crazy stuff in here, guys. Uh-oh. Whoever hits, DM me after the break so I can get addresses and stuff. David Johnson, touchdown Kings. That's going to the letter J. Justin. Justin not numbered. Our blue is going to be Clive Walford. Letter W, Steve S. Armed and dangerous, Shane Carden. Going to the letter C, Nathan. And I don't believe that's numbered. It is not. Terry, this is a free break of Leaf Metal. You're in here. Terry, you got the letter E. And the last one's a green. Rashad Green, the letter G. Mark A. Mark, this product has done very well for you. 7 of 10. Mark from Down Under. Nice, buddy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check me out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at TheCaseBreakers. Boom, baby.